Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Cubing. Today I'll be teaching you 5 cool patterns which you can do on a Rubik's Cube. So please subscribe for my channel and hit the notification bell for future updates. Let's begin. The first pattern is a checkerboard pattern. So to do that, turn the right side 2 times, left side 2 times, upside 2 times, down side 2 times, front side 2 times, and the back side 2 times. And there you go, checkerboard pattern is done. This is called checkerboard because you can see the chess pattern on each side of the cube. To undo this, do the reverse of what we did. So that is right side 2 times, left side 2 times, upside 2 times, downside 2 times, front 2 times, and the back 2 times. The second pattern is the dot. To do that, move the middle layer once towards the up and then move this middle layer towards the left side and reverse the first move and then reverse the second move. And there you go, the dot pattern is done. You can see a dot in every side. So to undo this, hold the cube and see what color we have here. We are having orange, so move it to the orange side. Now we are having white here, so bring the white piece over there and then do the move which we did earlier, that is up, and then undo the move which we did the second time. And there you go, the cube is solved. The third pattern is called the cube in a cube. To do this, hold the cube like this and then up 2 times, right 2 times, front 2 times, up clockwise, back 2 times, down counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, front clockwise, left counterclockwise, front clockwise, left counterclockwise, front clockwise, down clockwise, back 2 times, up clockwise. And there you go, you have solved the cube in a cube. And the same thing is in the other side. It looks like there is a cube in a cube. Bring the cube to its solved state. Just follow me. And there you go, your cube is solved. The next pattern is called the snake. To do this, up clockwise, back 2 times, left clockwise, down clockwise, back counterclockwise, front clockwise, left counterclockwise, down clockwise, up counterclockwise, left counterclockwise, right clockwise, front counterclockwise, down 2 times, right counterclockwise. And there you go, the snake pattern is done. This is called snake because an infinite snake appears all around the cube. To bring the cube to its solid state, hold the cube in such a way that green is facing towards you and the yellow is on top. And then follow me. And there you go, the cube is solved. The last pattern is called the cross. To do that, hold the cube like this and then down side 2 times, up counterclockwise, back 2 times, left 2 times, right 2 times, down 2 times, up 2 times, front 2 times, left 2 times, right 2 times. And then the last move is up counterclockwise. And there you go, this is the cross pattern. In each and every phase you're having a cross. To undo this pattern, hold the cube in such a way that green is facing you and yellow is on top, and then follow me. And the cube is solved. So these are the 5 patterns which you can do in a Rubik's cube. So thank you for watching Please subscribe for my channel and hit the notification bell for future updates. Thank you. This is Smart Gaming.